Alright guys, we got one in the shop today. It's got you can see it, split position sensor erratic data. It's 521488. 2, it's active, going active, inactive. Truck's been sitting for almost 2 years. They drove it here, now it won't drive out. So I guess I'm going to be taking the shift controller off of it and figuring out what's going on with it. So we'll let's get after it. Alright guys, got the old one out. This is shift controller. I got the new one, just came in. These are 3 of the mounting bolts. They have to go, it has to go up in there with those in place because you can't get them out, they hit the frame. So you have to remove and install them with these bolts already in there like that. And it's pretty hard to do. Hope we're going to get her done. That's the old one. The sensor is right here. That's what's bad in it, and it's non-serviceable from the outside. So this is just the front side of the new one. So let's get after it. Gotta put this back up in there. Alright guys, that's the transmission side. I got the new gasket up in there. New gasket, a new push rod. That works that sensor, it's right here. So just gotta put the new one up in there and bolt it down and we should be good to go. So let me get going on that. Alright guys, I already got it all installed. Did a transmission and then transmission learn procedure. Run through this, I've already done it. Run through this and then the code 521-4882 becomes not active. Truck starts up and runs and shifts, so she'll start right up. And she's doing what she's supposed to do now. No check engine lights. Perfect. I'm going to take this time to thank you guys for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.